Hello, it's American Butthead here again. Back at you with American Butthead. Hey, it's been about a year since our last ride. And we got a
too long.
Got the Model B and the two-seater that still remains nameless. So I got this new steering set up. Brother man, you're gonna have to figure it out. It's a little push-pull thing here. And this one's got the normal double screw steering, so it shouldn't be a problem. Cool.
Oh, that's easy enough.
Yeah. And it's really close to the surface too, so we might have more speed and power.
Cool.
So maybe zing around here a little bit so I can see it closer. He doesn't listen. Come over here. So controlling. I can hear some cavitation in the back.
What?
I can hear a little cavitation in the back, I think. Like the propeller's too close to the surface.
Yeah, it's kind of bubbling it up.
Yeah.
A little touchy on the steering too.
Yeah. Might need to lengthen the arm on the back there. Or shorten it on the front. You'll get it. Alright, I'm gonna go. There I go, not tying up my boat again. I'm just the worst. Let's see a little cavitation action. Or hear it, rather. Let's kind of hug this shoreline and go out that way more. Hi, it's me again. American Butthead with my brother American Buttfacehead. We're just trying out some mini boats here. You know how we roll. America, God bless it. Without it, we'd be going around in private waters right now. But instead, we're free. And there's an osprey up there that you can't see. Just having a good old time already. Take a little longer cruise today, hopefully. Hopefully these shots aren't too weird right up next to my face. Don't get too close, you'll hit bottom. He's a daredevil, that one. More like an idiot. Hey, Mustard, catch up. You gotta slow down. My twin turbos are a little too fast for the guy. What a beauty. It's a pity it's so loud.
I think if it was even just weighted just a little bit farther in the back.
Oh yeah, you can pull that battery closer to your crotchal region.
Oh yeah. Oh dude. I think it made a little bit of movement.
Yeah. Let's not scare away their fish over there. Yeah, maybe better. That's how it should sound. I like it too. It's kind of like when you're moving faster, you can't see as much and enjoy Because that's really kind of what it's all about, is just being out here in it.
Yeah, exactly. Especially up by the shoreline.
And freedom, of course. 'Cause what do you want without freedom? You've probably seen him on mini boats and more. Daryl Shriver, I think. God, I don't. His wife is a wildlife photographer.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so they built matching boats, and they're gonna go out and take pictures of wildlife, much like I'm taking pictures of you.
That's so awesome.
Yeah. And you can just sneak up on stuff too, I know.
Yeah, because you're just in a quiet little trolling motor.
Yeah. And a canoe would maybe be quieter, but maybe not with the paddles and stuff.
Yeah.
I could do this all day long.
Oh, dude, a little fish just jumped right here.
I thought I heard something.
Yeah. That was literally like a couple feet away.
How big you reckon?
Oh, pretty near 6 or 7 inches.
Yeah. Are we allowed to have this much fun? Shouldn't we be toiling at work?
Yeah, I don't know. Whoop.
Don't ding that.
It's actually like pretty deep right here.
Yeah. Don't ding that prop. I only have 6 more. Ha.
Oh, it looks like it kind of, there's like rock fall right here.
Oh, okay. Rockefeller Plaza. See how much the wind will affect these.
Yeah, like I know I'm on the lowest setting, but like
Yeah.
I'm barely moving.
Yeah.
Oh jeez. It'd be cool to have a depth finder that was like at least with anything less than 10 feet. Like
Yeah.
accurate within a couple inches.
I also wonder about solar panels.
If you could put it like on the boat.
Yeah, like maybe make one shade above you, because they're a little wide and long, but they're about the same size as the boat almost, 40 by 66 or something. And if they would even be worth it, if you could charge your battery as you discharge it, or even run off of it, that'd be amazing, but I highly doubt that. Otherwise, you could have 2 batteries and be charging one and flip it over. And,
yeah, and then just switch over.
Yeah. Really deep combo.
Yeah, and then it's really just a math problem of like how much energy per hour you're using on a boat.
Yeah.
And how much you can produce per hour.
Right. And maybe it would be something where it'd work on the first speed, but not any higher.
Yeah.
To where you could cruise indefinitely on first speed.
Yeah, you could travel pretty near around the
Pacific Ocean. Oh man, that would be hell in these boats.
You'd die.
Yeah.
Really quick.
Oh, for sure.
Actually, you wouldn't even get far enough out to where you would die. You would just, you'd get like maybe a wave or 2 in, and then.
Yeah.
I mean, I know these are getting wider, but I still feel like you'd capsize.
Oh, it'd be hell. Not to mention starving to death and.
Yeah, that's true. Provisions.
Yeah. The even Coeur d'Alene Lake, if there's anybody out there, it gets choppy and.
Really?
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. I mean, we should do that one day and just go out in it on a busy day.
Yeah, I mean, on the big boat the other day, that was even kind of choppy for that.
We should go over to that little underpass aqueduct.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at too.
So there's a big I-90 freeway up there. And a big old hole under it that's just tempting as fudge to go in there. I want to take my submarine through here, but the water's so nasty, I don't think it's really worth it.
Are we going through it?
No. No way, Jose. I don't think. That's scary. It is a lot bigger than I thought. What is that, a muskrat? Little beaver. Oh, I hit some weeds already. Hey there, guy. It's a little beaver. Hey, fella. Well, let's take a look, Downer. We'd have to stay dead center for sure.
Yeah.
And I got such low motors, I don't know.
I'm gonna try it.
Okay. I think you'd be fine.
I think so too, but. Whoa. Woo.
For the tube.
What?
For YouTube.
For YouTube?
Yeah. Maybe you could back in there and zip your way out if you get scared.